Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to make your iPhone light up when you get a notification. The first thing you need to do is open Settings. Once in Settings, you are going to scroll down and you are going to select Accessibility. From here, you are going to scroll down and tap on Audio/Visual. After selecting Audio/Visual, you are going to scroll to the end of the page and you are going to tap on LED Flash for Alerts. From here, you are going to tap on LED Flash for Alerts at the top, and you can also select Flash while unlock and Flash in silent mode. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.